Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Rain Showers is probably one of the most sought-after bathroom upgrades for those seeking a spa-like experience at home, transforming a mundane daily routine into a moment of pure relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine stepping into a cascade of warm water, mimicking the gentle patter of rain, washing away the stresses of the day and leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. This isn't just about getting clean, it's about elevating your entire well-being, creating a personal sanctuary where you can unwind and recharge in ultimate comfort and luxury. A high-quality rain shower head can significantly enhance your bathroom's aesthetic appeal and functionality, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner. Number 5. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a mini water park with this exciting water table. It's perfect for endless summer fun. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. Watch as the rainfall effect comes alive and splashes into the pond below. As the water drains, it activates spinners, ramps, and buckets. Rearrange the pieces to create new waterfalls and explore cause and effect STEM play. Kids can create a spinning splash with the handheld wheel. Use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more interactive play. Cleanup is a breeze. You can easily use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed, so playtime can continue. What we like? This water table creates a mini water park with a rainfall effect. It activates mazes and spinners as the water drains, offering fun cause and effect STEM play. If you are looking for an engaging water toy that encourages learning through play and is easy to maintain, this is a great choice for toddlers. What people say? The water pours out in a nice shower, not too strong, not too weak. The rain shower is easy to assemble and attach to the tub. My child loves playing with the rain shower, it keeps them entertained for a long time. Number 4. Step 2 Tropical Rainforest Water Table. Get ready for endless outdoor fun. This water table is perfect for little ones to splash, pour, and explore. It offers an interactive playtime experience designed to spark their imagination with molded and rainforest details. Discover a world of interactive play with 13 fun accessories. Watch the waterfall flow and activate the teeter-totter, teaching them about cause and effect in a playful way. Its large size allows multiple children to play together, encouraging social skills and sharing. This basin can hold up to 5 gallons of water for extended fun. When playtime is over, the convenient plug makes drainage a breeze. Keeping it clean is simple, ensuring a sanitary play environment for your child. Crafted with durable, double-walled plastic construction, this toy is built to last. Enjoy years of use with vibrant colors that resist chipping, fading, cracking, or peeling. What we like? This water table features a tropical rainforest theme with molded-in details to spark imaginative play. Its large footprint allows multiple children to play together, encouraging social skills. If you want a durable water play station that promotes sharing and imaginative adventures with a fun theme, this is the one for your little explorers. What people say? The water flow is strong and consistent, providing a spa-like experience. Easy to install and adjust, fits perfectly in my shower. Multiple spray settings offer great versatility for different needs. Number 3. Step 2 Rain Showers and Unicorns Water Table. Get ready for endless fun with this water table. It's perfect for splashing, pouring, and imaginative play, with thrilling rain showers to spark your child's creativity. Watch as water pours down, creating realistic rainfall sights and sounds. This engaging feature also introduces early STEM principles, and comes with 13 accessories for even more enjoyment. With a large surface, multiple children can play together, fostering social skills and sharing. It's designed for easy access and holds up to 5 gallons of water. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the convenient plug for easy drainage. Keep the play environment sanitary with simple cleaning using disinfectant wipes or household cleaners. Built to last with durable, double-walled plastic construction, this toy is designed for years of use. The vibrant colors are fade and chip resistant, ensuring long-lasting fun. Fill it with sand for even more playful possibilities. This versatile table offers a world of sensory exploration beyond just water. What we like? This water table offers thrilling rain showers and can also be used with sand for even more playful possibilities. It teaches STEM principles through realistic rainfall sights and sounds. If your child loves unicorns and you're looking for a versatile sensory toy that can be used for both water and sand play, this option will spark their imagination. What people say. The water flow is strong and consistent, providing a great shower experience. Easy to install and adjust, fits perfectly in my shower stall. The rain shower head covers a wide area, making it feel like a spa. Number 2. INAVAMZ 2-in-1 shower head combo. Transform your daily shower into a luxurious spa experience. This innovative shower head offers multiple settings for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy the best of both worlds with a rainfall shower head and a detachable handheld option. Use them together or separately for a truly customized shower. From a gentle rain to a powerful jet, find the perfect spray for any task. It's ideal for everyone in the family, from adults to children, and even for cleaning. Breathe easier with our advanced filtration system. It effectively reduces chlorine and other impurities, ensuring cleaner and healthier water for your skin and hair. Experience a powerful, high-pressure shower without the waste. This design provides a satisfying flow while conserving water. Get your new shower head up and running in minutes. The universal connector fits most standard showers, making installation a breeze. What we like. This shower head combo offers a large 10-inch rainfall shower head and a detachable handheld shower head, providing a spa-like experience. It features a 15-stage filter to reduce impurities in your bathing water and has an easy-to-use on-off switch on the handheld unit. If you're looking for a luxurious shower upgrade that also prioritizes water quality and offers convenient control, this system is an excellent choice for a cleaner, more comfortable shower. What people say. The water flow is strong and consistent, providing a great shower experience. Easy to install and adjust, fits perfectly in my shower stall. The rain shower head covers a wide area, making it feel like a spa. Number 1. Step 2 Charming Cottage Kids Playhouse. Give your little ones their very own charming cottage. With a working doorbell, Dutch-style door, fireplace, and skylight, it feels just like a real home. This playhouse offers endless hours of fun and imaginative play. It's perfect for encouraging cooperative role play with friends. Designed with an open concept and plenty of space, it allows children to move freely and interact. It's a place where they can play and grow together. Setting up this delightful playhouse is a breeze. Simple instructions mean quick assembly, so the fun can begin right away. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant plastic, it's built to last for years. The realistic stonework and faux wood siding give it a timeless appeal for outdoor play. What we like. This playhouse offers realistic touches like a working doorbell and Dutch-style door, making it feel like a real home for imaginative play. It's extra roomy with an open design, encouraging cooperative role play from multiple children. If you want a durable and engaging playhouse that fosters creativity, social interaction, and provides hours of pretend play, this is a fantastic option for toddlers. What people say. The water flow is strong and consistent, providing a great shower experience. Easy to install and adjust, fits perfectly in my shower stall. The rain shower head covers a wide area, making it feel like a spa. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.